Today I'm going to be filming another vlog. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I just woke up, as you can probably tell, but today I thought I would have a bit of a self-care day slash kind of getting my life together day, because I haven't had the best few weeks, so I thought that I would just take today to just like sort everything out. I guess I don't even really know what I'm gonna do, to be honest.
Vlog. Don't listen to her bullshit.
I'm gonna cut all this out.
You better not cut it out because you know you're a liar.
Also, just ignore that my hair is really greasy. We are gonna be sorting that out today. I made sure that I did all of the uni work that I needed to do yesterday, so that I have this full day to... Actually, I probably still should do some uni work. I felt very unmotivated. Don't know if it's because of lockdown, don't know if it's because of uni. We are only like a week and a half into uni and I'm already not having a good time. So a couple of weeks ago I filmed myself dyeing my hair and I didn't really know if I was going to use it, but I think... Oh no, my camera's going to die. Okay, I'm going to include the clips of me dyeing my hair here because I still want to use them, so... And then we'll do other stuff after that. Bye! Wait, come in quickly, get a thumb up. Hi everyone, sorry that this lighting is so bad. I don't even know if this video is going to go anywhere, if I'm going to use it by itself or put it in a vlog or something, but I wanted to film because this evening I'm dyeing my hair. I've dyed my hair a couple times on camera. Usually it's always brown. Let me sit you down so I can have a chat. I probably should have filmed this during the day so the lighting was a bit better, but I usually dye my hair like a dark brown colour, and then I've also got this blonde bit which I did on camera as well. But today I'm dyeing my hair red. So I've picked up this L'Oreal... Oh my gosh, I'm actually kind of nervous. I look awful right now and my hair is so greasy, so just ignore that. Let's just go do it. Hopefully it doesn't look awful. If it does, I mean, I'll probably just dye it dark brown again. I also don't want to get rid of this blonde bit, but I don't want it to be blonde. So my plan is to dye my whole hair and then maybe like 10 minutes before I wash it out, go over the blonde bit. Would that work? I don't know. Also, yes, I am inspired by Kylie Jenner. I really liked her hair right now, so I thought I would copy her. But I have actually been thinking about this for a while before she did it, so maybe she copied me. How's this angle if I'm in a hair?
Perfect. Is it?
Not really. This is a pretty awful angle. This is the dye that I usually buy, but usually obviously I get it in a different colour. So I trust it. It usually lasts for like a couple months. To be honest, I don't really know if it ever actually really comes out your hair. I'm also going to film a TikTok, I think, too, because it feels as though that could do well. I don't really know if I'm going to suit having red hair, to be honest. But
yeah, you will.
My mum always tells me that I would suit red hair. This bathroom is disgusting. Also, just ignore that I've got a dressing gown wrapped around me.
Jules! I pooed myself again.
I'm nervous. Okay, let's section my hair. Don't really know how to get rid of the blonde bit, so I'm just gonna try and not go over it. Look how absolutely disgusting this blonde bit of hair looks. Oh, where are the gloves? I can't find them.
Where did you like to see them?
They were in the box the whole time. So here's obviously my finished hair. It's a lot more subtle than I thought it would be. I also like literally barely even filmed anything from dyeing my hair because my camera died, so sorry about that. It probably wasn't even any point in me including it. But that leads us on to the next thing, which is I'm gonna do a hair mask while I tidy our room because our room's such a mess. I'll show you in a second. So I'm gonna be using my Xoxo hair mask. This is literally amazing. I feel as though I could not say enough good things about this. Megan, you really should sponsor me or send me some stuff because I really love this. It's the honey infused hair mask and I would really recommend this. Like, I'm not even joking, this is so good. It makes my hair so smooth, so I'm gonna put that on right now. Now that the hair mask is in, I'm gonna let that sit while I tidy our room, which I have been dreading the thought of doing. This is what it looks like right now. It's a complete mess. There's clothes everywhere. So I'm gonna try and get through this. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long. So I've kind of finished tidying our room. I still need to take this stuff through to the kitchen, and then we have a ton of recycling over there, and I want to move those suitcases. But I think this is as good as it's gonna get right now, to be honest. Also, we still need to hoover, but the hoover we have is so bad, so it doesn't really do much. But what I think I'm gonna do right now is go through to the kitchen and make a new one of these phone charms. I showed them in my last video a wee bit, but I basically made this phone charm for myself, and then I decided that I could maybe sell them on Depop, and a couple, like quite a few people I would say have bought them. So somebody's just messaged me asking for a custom one. If you want to look at them or buy one or ask for a custom one, then my Depop is just my name. I'll put it here. These are the charms we have up on Depop now, and then we also made these two bracelets, and Elle's doing the custom one. Also in our packages that we've been sending out, we've been putting in some stickers. So if you order, you also get 2 free stickers, which I think is pretty good.
You know, lobbies like that from like the northeast has publicly said that.
So it's the next day now, and I thought I would just continue this vlog because it's quite short. So right now, Danny and I are on our way to the shop because I think I'm going to do some baking today. So I thought that would be fun to film. I'm going to bake, if any of you, I presume it would be like, yeah, those cakes that you used to get in primary school. And they're like sponge and they had icing on top, sprinkles. And they're so good, so I'm going to try and make one of them today. But right now we're on our way to Greg's to get a hot chocolate. Yeah. And so Danny can get something to eat. I also had an English seminar this morning and I got my presentation over and done with. Thank God. Okay, I'm gonna make the cake now. You're gonna have to ignore my dressing gown, but it's really cold in here. So I'm first of all gonna preheat the oven to 160, quite low. The first thing I'm gonna do is cream the butter and sugar together, but the butter's quite cold, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Also, tonight we're watching a concert online. It's one of the Celtic Connections ones. It's quite a lot of people performing, so we're gonna eat the cake with that. So if you can hear the washing machine as well, it's kind of loud. Oh, we don't have enough grams of butter.
Made by 5/6.
I don't know how to do that. Looks the same, does it?
Yeah, George is baking cake now, so that really can't work.
Okay, now I've got my butter, and I'm gonna add the sugar and cream it all together.
Wow, is that Delia?
Now that I've done the sugar and the butter, and I did 250 grams of each, I'm gonna add in 4 large eggs. Do you mind cracking these eggs, Danny?
Huh? 1 egg, 2 egg.
Okay, 4 eggs are in. Now I'm just mixing. If any of you remember when Danny and I went to see Talis, they're playing tonight. Remember that?
Yeah.
Seems like so long ago. Add in the flour using 2 tablespoons at a time. What? Okay, 250 grams of self-raising flour now. Saw a really sad TikTok earlier.
That does sound sad.
It was really sad. I don't know why TikTok keeps showing me these sad videos about dogs. Yeah, I added in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 80 millilitres of milk. Now I'm about to put it in this dish. However, I've realised we don't actually have any greaseproof paper, so I'm going to use tin foil and hope that works.